Feels like the world fades away. No hands to hold, no words to stay. Loneliness creeps, but I've come to see this road I walk is my destiny. Even when silence is all I hear, and no friend dares to come near, I know my purpose remains so clear. I'll rise again, though the nights feel cold, with a fire within, fierce and bold. For the calling I hear is louder still, and I'll press on with unshaken will. I'd pull down the stars, I'd cross every sea, to show the world what inbound can be. Through struggles and doubt, through shadows that fall, I'll stand strong to give it my all. If it's tough, if it's wild, I'll still rise with a smile, because this is my mission, my heart, my style. No friend by my side, no one to cheer, yet I'll keep moving year after year. For this isn't for fame, it's not for me, it's for the industry I long to see. Every broken moment fuels my fire, every setback lifts me higher. This is my path, my sacred fight, to lead others toward the light. I'd pull down the moon, I'd go to space, to the edge of the universe, any place. For the love of tourism, for the joy it brings, for the friends I lift, for the songs they sing. If it's tough, if it's wild, I'll still rise with a smile, because this is my mission, my heart, my style. When the road gets rough and the nights grow long, I'll hold my faith and stay strong. For life must go on, and so much